Okay, hold on. Wait, before you start pulling it, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Look at the bottom, because I think there are two things here, and then the top.
So we're getting a look inside your mouth so people can see what it looks like before you get your teeth later.
Yeah, because they're putting the teeth on in a few hours.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to look at the bottom first. See what we can see. Can you open your mouth any bigger? Is it swollen? I can't really see much. Hold on.
You can't tell.
I can't see. Unless it's... Okay, let's see the other side. Back in the back, I see nothing.
I feel like they're like right there.
Well, move your gum out. No, there's nothing there.
Right after the tooth?
Open your mouth bigger. I can't see in. Okay, let me see the other side. So there's just one in between there. So you do have that one tooth in the back. So then probably one post will put a tooth in that spot, and the other one will probably hold two teeth. So you'll have 4 molars. Okay, we're going to check out the top and see what we can see. Okay. Oh, can you open this that way at all? All right, so in there. Oh, you are so bruised, baby. No wonder your mouth's sore. I can see the tube. Well, I can see the post and then a hole. And then a post. And I don't see. And let's pull your lip up in the front a little. Oh, yeah. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 in there, or 6.
Maybe he got more than 4. He said he would if he could.
Yeah, to make it really secure.
Yeah, no extra charge.
No extra charge. Crazy.
It's not. It's worse than I hoped.
It's worse than you hoped.
A little less than I feared.
A little less than what you feared it would be. Well, I'm glad it's less than you feared. You okay? You can see the stitches.
Yeah.
But he said that your implant will just go right over them and they'll just dissolve. So that'll be good.
Very good. Yeah. I'm hoping it'll help me feel, because right now it's hard to swallow. Because I don't want to touch the stitches with my tongue. So I have to like, what?
Okay. Anything else?
I'm just sleepy.
You should sleep then.
Yeah.
This far back. I just can't see anything except his lips because his mouth, he says he can't pull it back, and he's like, ow, ow, gentle. So does he have 6 or 5? I can't. Or is it, because it looks like there's another one.
He just has 4.
In the front, and that holds, even it'll hold the molars in the very back?
Yep, so when we do the finals, we make it out of zirconia, so it's strong enough to bear the pressure and weight on.
And then on the bottom, does he have 2?
On the bottom?
Yeah. Because in between there?
Yeah, so.
So I was trying to...
Yeah, so he does have 2
Two
of
first,
them.
okay. All you see is gloves. That is so... No wonder you're in pain. I know I was trying to get a picture earlier, and I went to touch his lip to kind of move it out, and he goes, be gentle. And I'm like, I don't know how they're going to put anything in your mouth when you're saying be gentle to me, and I'm barely touching you. Oh, my goodness.
No, I don't. He's just being nice to me right now. He doesn't want to yell at me.
Yeah.
Trying to get a couple of photos while it's open like that so you can see. So when I was thinking there was like 6, I was totally wrong. There's 4. Because I saw maybe where the stitches are, I thought there must have been
he
more.
has sutures that go back farther, but
And those just like snap in there?
Yep, so they don't snap, but...
How do you get it to...
So if you see this...
Oh, there's like little screws.
There's little access holes, and this kind of goes over, so it'll kind of suction over that and hold it.
And then you
I'll
screw from
it
underneath?
in, yep.
But then are you okay? You gonna be alright? Yeah. Well, and it's probably pushing out more on the outside compared to nothing that was there earlier, right?
Having this in though will help with the swelling as well. So this will kind of help it go down a little bit quicker.
Yeah, the screws are so tiny.
I'm not going to tighten them all the way just yet. I'm going to let your gums kind of settle into that before I tighten them down all the way.
Yeah, so he was telling me he's going to give you words to practice, so yeah. So the ones that come that are, whatever you said, zirconia, they'll be just put on just like this, but they'll go back a little bit further on both sides?
Exactly, yep.
You feel it.
You can feel it's in there? Does it feel better than it did earlier?
Not really.
Not really. Well, now, because now your lips and gums are being pushed back. Not gums. What is it? Your cheeks are being pushed back out. You got a little bit of bloody slobber there. You like a piece of tissue or gauze.
That's how I've been all day.
Yeah. Well, you're doing amazing. Just so you know, you're doing really good.
I know, this isn't comfortable.
For sure. They won't unscrew, like you're not tightening them super tight, but they won't like loosen on their own, right? Good, good, good. Because your gums are still swollen a little, I'm sure a lot actually. Like the car, it's like, can you imagine?
It's funny, because when you get the final one, we
That's
use
how
a
they do it.
torque wrench, and everyone's like, it feels like I'm getting my tires changed.
Because you got to do it just perfect, I'm sure. You're doing great.
Maybe we get that top one in and out, okay?
My soup is going to be so good. Nope, because the power's still off. Ugh. It's almost 6 o'clock and the power's still off. Check out my no electricity Lunchables. Can you guess what they are? I am so grateful for my friend Carrie and buying us a big blanket and then showing me how nice they were so I could get Mitch one. He's got one and so does Cody. So we all have these big blankets to keep us warm because we got no power. Thank goodness you got a headlamp and a little lantern over there. And Cody's in her room. We all moved upstairs. Oh, you can't even see me. It's so dark. Can I have that lantern?
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to record and it's so dark nobody can see me.
We got these lanterns from Nick and Lacey.
Yeah, my son and his wife got these to Mitch a few Christmases ago. Oh, this is a nice look. Anyways, so we got no power, but we decided to move upstairs because heat rises. So whatever heat's in our house is going to be in the upstairs. So we're all just up here huddling for warmth and praying that the power comes on soon because I really didn't want this food for dinner. But, I mean, I gotta eat something, so if you haven't guessed, it's peanut butter and sugar-free jelly spread on a tortilla that was in my pantry. Because all my bread is frozen, and I don't dare open the freezer and let all the cold out. I started my crock-pot dinner, and that meat is sitting raw in my crock-pot, and I'm praying to gosh it doesn't go bad. And I started dehydrating those jalapenos, and the power went off. They're just sitting in there. And we still got no power.
You can hear they're working on it. They're like 3 houses down.
Oh, come on. They told us by 3:30.
Yeah.
And what time is it now?
Well, they said 3:30 before they were even on the scene. So.
And then they said 6, and now it's almost 8 o'clock at night.
Now it's almost 8, and now they're saying they're reassessing.
To see what's wrong.
Yeah.
But what happened was some cable company, fiber
optic
cable people had came out and they marked all these yards where all the wires and cables and everything were. right before the snowstorm.
Yeah.
So then the snow falls, and, you know, what do you think's going to happen? Well, I'll tell you what's going to happen. All their little lines got washed away. And I know for sure. I mean, come on. All of a sudden, our power's out.
They're digging up.
Well, they're out there digging
yard.
in front of our house. Yeah, it was them. But I'm going to go eat my food, and let's pray that this is praying, too, by the way. My shoulder hurts.
Pray for the stupidity of the world.
Say it again, baby. Say it on the camera.
Oh, pray for the stupidity of the world.
If you're going to mark cables, you got to make it with waterproof paint or something, because you can't mark it right before it snows and expect it not to wash away. Come on. Right? Common sense there.
I called it yesterday.
You did. Yep, you watched that video. He said that in the video, he wrote it in the paper that they must have went to school. They got no sense or something. I don't remember. He was... No common sense. He was kind of out of it. But I got this. Got me a cold beverage because my kitchen floor it just keeps everything super cold. So I'm going to go enjoy my dinner and pray for power. It's crazy, you know? The little things that you miss, like, you know, electricity. But you're grateful for batteries and blankets, good friends. How you doing? You getting that keto chow in you?
Oh, I think I need a smaller spoon.
Okay, I'll send Cody.
Okay.
She'll go down. Cody, run downstairs and get Daddy a smaller spoon, please. He can't open his mouth big enough. Okay. Thank you. And Cody's Dexcom. She just told me her Dexcom is expiring in 2 hours. Yay! You might want to get it changed before it expires.
We want to shred
My peanut butter and jelly pizza is satisfactory. But I've had better.